The Egypt national team coach Hossam Hassan has expressed confidence in his side's ability to navigate the challenging Group B at the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations (AFCON). The seven-time continental champions have been drawn alongside South Africa's Bafana Bafana, Angola, and Zimbabwe in what promises to be a competitive group. The tournament is scheduled to take place from December 21, 2025 to January 18, 2026. And Hassan acknowledged that Hugo Broos' South African side poses the greatest threat to Egyptians' ambitions. And South Africa is likely to be our strongest opponent in the group. They are a team with a strong pedigree, and we respect them. The two nations share competitive history in their most recent encounters. Egypt and Bafana Bafana have each claimed 2 wins with one match ending in a draw. However, it is Bafana Bafana's stunning 1-0 victory in the round of 16 at the 2019 AFCON in Cairo that still lingers in Egyptian memory. A decisive goal from Thembinkosi Lorch sealed Egypt's early exit from the tournament on home soil. Bafana Bafana's recent form underscores their threat. They secured a bronze medal in the latest AFCON edition after defeating DR Congo in a dramatic penalty shootout. Despite the tough challenge ahead, Hassan remains optimistic, placing faith in the talents of global superstar Mohamed Salah and rising star Omar Marmoush. And that we are proudly to have a player like Mohamed Salah, one of the best in the world. I am fortunate as a coach to work with him. We also have Omar, who's an incredible talent. These players will be key for us, especially against South Africa. While acknowledging the progress of Angola and Zimbabwe, Hassan maintained confidence in Egypt's storied AFCON history and said we respect all teams in the group and we wish them the best. Egypt always aims to win and will be ready. With such high stakes and storied rivalries, Group B promises intense battles as Egypt seeks to extend its record-breaking AFCON title tally. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.